let us groom our nails. As you guys can see, my nails have grown quite long and they are looking quite shabby. So what do we do to groom these nails? I can't go to a salon at this point. Well, let me tell you, I hardly go to a salon and never for a manicure or a pedicure. So let us jump onto the video. Firstly, you need to trim your nails using a nail cutter in your desired length. I like to keep a bit of length on top and not chop them off completely. So I'm keeping some length, as you guys can see. Now once I'm happy with the cutting of my nails, we are going to remove our cuticles. I have been a constant user of this amazing product which helps me melt away my cuticles by Sally Hansen. I do not even remember when I first started using this, I guess a decade ago or something. The product is called as Instant Cuticle Remover from Sally Hansen. I have never visited a salon to get my manicure done ever since I started using this. Anyway, so this is the product that I use to remove my cuticles. I put this on my cuticles, keep this gel on for 15 seconds and then start by pushing back my cuticles. This product does an amazing job at melting away that dead skin which has been sitting on your nail bed. And also, it helps in making your cuticle area soft so that it is easy to remove the accumulated skin. I'm starting from the center and then going on the sides, making sure that I'm scraping off all that dead skin. And then collecting all the gunk that's come out and wiping it onto a cotton round. And then repeating the same process on my other nails. Please do not be harsh on your cuticles while doing this step and do not push back too hard, otherwise you will end up hurting yourself. And as you guys can see, a lot of dead skin is coming off. Once my cuticles have been pushed back, I'll clean them off of any residue. I then take a nail buffer, and a nail buffer usually has 3 to 4 sides. The first side helps you buff away any major stains or ridges on your nails. The second side helps you smooth out any harsh lines from the previous buffing. And the last side helps you achieve shiny nails. I'm going over my nails with the nail buffer with a light hand using a back and forth motion, giving a few seconds onto each nail. Now it is time to shape our nails. Now, if you've seen my previous video in which I showed you how to do French nails at home, you must be aware that my preferred shape is squarish round, which is primarily a square shape with softer round edges, which is more wearable and practical for daily work. I stretch my nail from the side using my finger and then going straight in with my nail file. You guys can file your nails in whichever shape you like. I repeat the same step on all my nails. Once my nail filing is done, I'll go wash my hands in order to get rid of any product residue and dust. And as you guys can tell, my nails look noticeably groomed from what they were looking earlier, just by doing these simple steps. It wasn't even cumbersome and time consuming. Now I'll use these nail clippers on places where I feel that my dead skin is still hanging on. However, I would advise you guys not to go ahead with this step, as you may end up taking away too much of your skin. This step needs a lot of practice and I wouldn't advise you if you are new to using nail clippers. My nails are done, cuticle free, clean and shiny. You can apply a nail polish of your choice. Mine is a clear nail polish. I sometimes even skip this step. The world situation doesn't seem to get any better. The least we can do at this point is take care of ourselves and feel beautiful. Just cleaning my cuticles and trimming them makes them look so much neat and pleasing. This was a simple and quick video for you guys to groom your nails at home. Give this video a thumbs up by liking it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you guys can also follow me on my Instagram page Priyanka Mehra Official for more such interesting videos and posts. I'll give the link to my social media handle in my description box. I shall be back with another interesting video. Bye and stay happy and stay healthy.